Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet Mouth Kitchen. I have two helpers here, both my daughters. Today we're gonna make peanut cakes, one of my favorite snacks from Jamaica. I tried to find it here in Texas and I cannot find it. My daughters tried it once and they absolutely loved it. So we're gonna attempt to make it here today just for you guys and for us. Airplane, yay! Stay tuned. So first we're going to add our sugar to the pot. About copper good. That should be good. I have ginger that I grated earlier. I'll add that in. Got a little bit of nutmeg that I'm gonna add in there. Vanilla, pour it in.
Vanilla.
And I'm gonna add just a tad bit of almond spice to it.
So good, guys.
Just a little bit. Here we go.
What is that?
And forgot the name of this thing, but I really like it. Give me some nice flavors going on here. Gabby, can you grab me a bottle of water, please? All right. Might need a little bit more sugar for the amount of peanuts. More sugar. Just a little bit of water, not too much. More vanilla. And we'll be putting it on the fire right now. That's what it looks like before. This is the sugar, ginger, water, and we put it on the fire now. Add our peanuts in so they can cook with the sugar. All we have to do is just keep stirring this pot. We're gonna stir this until the sugar starts to caramelize. Once that starts to happen, they're ready to be set. We're gonna put them on some plastic and let them set, and then we'll enjoy them. Oh, that is looking lovely. Stirring. I roasted these peanuts in the oven myself today. Some of them got a little burn on them, but that's just more flavor for us. It's almost ready. This is done. We're gonna take it off the fire